Hello lovely gardening people, this is the first video in my festive garden DIY series. Now I am doing this in aid of fundraising, in aid of the Salvation Army. So if you do like the video, please give me a like or comment, or even if you can share, that would be great, because I'm hoping to get some donations off the back of this video towards the good cause. Now how you can donate if you are able to, which would be amazing and I'll be so grateful, is there'll be a link at the end of this video to my Just Giving page, and also I'll pop the link down below in the comments as well as the description box. So do look out for that. If you're able to donate, that would be amazing, but please don't worry if not. Do enjoy this video. Just a like, a comment, or even a share, or all three if you're feeling generous, would be fantastic. It'll get me up in the newsfeed so more people can see me, and hopefully anyone who can donate will be able to. Thank you so much guys, enjoy the video. Let's get into the first one of the series, and here's to a good run up to the festive season. Bye guys, enjoy. So here's the three main plants for our bowl planter: our cyclamen, a carex, and also the gorgeous festive red-berried Gaultheria. I'm reusing this gorgeous shallow terracotta bowl for this project, and also I'm going to be putting pansies in any gaps that we've got in the planter too. This planter has no drainage holes, so as with any planter, but particularly this one, we need a good dollop of gravel. Now this will help with the drainage. It'll also create a little bit of a reservoir at the bottom of the container so that the roots aren't sort of sitting in soggy compost. The drainage is the main element, but also this actually helps with aeration, so the bottom of the roots keep nice and fresh and there's lots of air coming up towards them. And now for a lovely thin layer of compost. I'm using a peat-free organic compost with a lovely texture to it. Now we only need a little bit because this planter is very shallow. First in is our gorgeous wafty Carex Bronco. I love the bronze foliage here. Beautiful root system, but it's a bit big, so we're going to angle it so it creates a bit of a mound in the middle of the planter, enabling us to plant in this shallow bowl without affecting the root system's health. And now for our first pop of festive red, the gorgeous cyclamen. This is from the Flame series, really good flower power on the Flame series cyclamen. And again, a nice chunky root ball, so we're going to angle it up the other side to create that mound in the middle, but keep that root system nice and happy. Now we're going to really cram these in, but it's going to look so fantastic, I promise you. And there's the angle, there we go. So now we're in with our third thriller plant of the container, gorgeous Gaultheria with its beautiful red, vibrant, ornamental berries. So great for the birds and the wildlife, this one. The foliage is really nice and compact, a nice lower plant for this container to give us a gorgeous pyramid. Now I would take off any berries that are starting to go over, especially if you're giving it as a gift. We want it to look really nice. And again, I'm going to go in and get that angle to create that mound in the middle and make sure it's all nice and even. And I'm just showing you, this is the gorgeous triangle that we're going for. So a nice flow of different heights and different sizes to make the container interesting. So just showing you how we're looking so far. It looks pretty full, but we can get more in there. And again, just showing you that pyramid triangle shape. So Carex at the back, nice and high, Gaultheria at the front for a nice bit of low, and then the cyclamen acts as a nice middleman. And then you can see I've just shown you those little gaps, which we're going to fill now with some pansies. So here's our gorgeous pansies and violas, filling the little gaps that we did have, and they'll be perfectly happy crammed in with all these other plants. So once we're happy this is packed full of plants, I'm going to go round the edges and top up with compost, fill any teeny weeny gaps up with compost to make sure the plants have got as much nutrient as they possibly can have. I should also mention that I put in a slow release fertiliser in here just to help everything go through beautifully in the winter, particularly being such a small container. But doesn't it look great? This is our finished effect. What a great gift idea, and so simple to put together. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you are able to donate to my fundraising cause in aid of the Salvation Army, I'd be really appreciative, and I will keep you updated on socials on how much we've made. Link to be able to do this is at the end of the video. I'll also pop it in the comments down below for my Just Giving page. Again, thank you so much, everybody, and have a lovely run up to Christmas.